Namaskar, I am Anand and you are watching Jan for Education. In this class, I am going to solve the questions of differential equation. Let's start the class. So, I am going to solve the questions of exercise 9.1. Let's see what say the instruction of exercise 9.1. Determine order and degree if defined of differential equation given in exercises 1 to 10. So we put at a balance in question number 1. Here is the question number 1. D4y by dx square plus third derivative of sin y equal to 0. This is a differential equation and the highest derivative of this differential equation is d4y by dx square. So let's see what will be the order of this one. For this, we find out the highest derivative. So we find out what is the highest derivative of this differential equation. Let's see solution of question number 1. So the from question it is clear that the highest derivative of this differential equation is d4y by dx square. So we write down here the highest derivative is d4y by dx to the power 4. So the derivative clear the order of the differential equation. Therefore, the order of this differential equation will be 4. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. Or so the order of this differential equation will be 4, and this differential equation is not a polynomial in its derivative. So we write down this differential equation is not a polynomial in its derivative. So this polynomial is not defined for degree. So we can say this polynomial has order 4, but this polynomial has no degree because this is not a polynomial in its derivative. After there is no problem to understand the solution of this one. So let's see here. This is the question number 1, and question number 1 to 10 ask us find out the order and degree of the given differential equation. I have solved question number 1. So this is the differential equation having highest derivative is d4y by dx square plus third derivative of sine equal to 0. So the highest derivative, let's see here, the highest derivative is this one, and the highest derivative clear the order. So the order of this differential equation is 4. and this differential equation is not a polynomial in its derivative. When any differential equation which is not polynomial in its derivative, then this is not defined for the degree. So this polynomial has no degree, and the order of this polynomial is 4, but this polynomial is not defined for the degree. Observe, there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. This is the solution of question number 1. If you want to take the short screen, then you take. I am going to solve question number 2. So if we consider about question number 2, then the highest derivative is y to the power 1, or this is the first derivative. So the order of this differential equation will be 1, and this differential equation is a polynomial. So this is defined for the degree. So the maximum power of the highest derivative, here highest derivative is this one, and the maximum power of this highest derivative is nothing, it means that 1. So the degree of this differential equation will be 1. So the order of this differential equation will be 1, and degree of this differential equation will be also 1. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 2. Let's see the written. So I am going to erase this one. So let's see the solution of question number 2. So the highest derivative of this differential equation is, so we write down here the highest derivative Therefore, the order of this differential equation will be 1, because the highest derivative of this one is 1, and this differential equation is a polynomial. So we find out the maximum power of the highest derivative. The maximum power of the highest derivative is here y to the power nothing, it means that 1. So the degree of this differential equation will be 1. So the order of this differential equation will be 1, and the degree of this differential equation will also be 1. After, there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 2. So this is the question number 2. Let's see here. First derivative of this one plus 5y equal to 0. So the highest derivative is y2, and therefore order of this differential equation will be 1. The maximum power of the highest derivative is 1. So the degree of this differential equation is 1. After, there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 2. Let's see the solution of question number 3. So this is the question number 3. So the highest derivative is this one, and power of highest derivative is 1. So let's see, this is this differential equation is a polynomial in its derivative. So this polynomial is defined for degree. Let's see the solution of question number 3. So the highest derivative of the given differential equation is the highest derivative is d square x by dt square. So order here will be 2, and this is a polynomial in its derivative. This is a polynomial in its derivative. Therefore, this polynomial is defined for degree. Therefore, degree here will be the maximum power of this one is 1. So the degree here will be 1. After there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 3. Order will be 2 and a degree will be 1. So I have solved question number 3. When I put at a gallons in question number 3, then this is the question number 3, and this is a differential equation. The highest derivative is second derivative. Therefore, the order of this differential equation will be 2, and the maximum power of the highest derivative of this differential equation is 1. So the degree will be 1 because this differential equation is a polynomial in its derivative. So hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 3. If you want to take the short screen, then you can. So let's see the question number 4. This is the question number 4. This differential equation has the highest derivative is this one, and the maximum power of this derivative is 2, but this differential equation is not a polynomial in its derivative. So this is not defined for degree. So the order of this polynomial is 2, but we cannot say anything about the degree of this polynomial. The reason is this polynomial is not this differential equation is not a polynomial in its derivative. So let's see the solution of question number 4. The highest derivative is d square y by dx square. Therefore, order here will be 2. And we write down this is not a polynomial in its derivative. Therefore, this is not defined for degree. Hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. I have solved the question number 4. So this is the question number 4. And the higher derivative of this differential equation is d square y by dx square. So the order of this differential equation will be 2. And this is not a polynomial in its derivative. So this differential equation is not defined for degree. So let's see. The highest derivative equal to d square y by dx square. So this is the second derivative. Therefore, the order of this differential equation will be 2. This is not a polynomial in its derivative. Therefore, this differential equation is not defined for degree. Of that, there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 4. Let's solve the question number 5. So the highest derivative is second derivative. Therefore, order will be 2. And the maximum power of the highest derivative is 1. Therefore, order will be 1. And this differential equation is defined for degree because this is a polynomial in its derivative. So let's see the solution. The highest derivative is d square y by dx square. So this is the second derivative. Therefore, order will be 2. And this is a polynomial in its derivative. Therefore, this differential equation is defined for degree. Therefore, we write down here degree. So we see what is the maximum power of the highest derivative. So the maximum power of the highest derivative is 1. Therefore, degree will be 1. Of that, there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 5. So from question it is clear that the highest derivative is d square y by dx square, and this is the second derivative. Therefore, the order of this differential equation will be 2. This is a polynomial in its derivative, and the maximum power of the highest derivative is 1. So the degree of this differential equation is 1. Of that, there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 5. Similarly, we can solve question number 6 and 7. So if we put at a balance here, then the highest derivative is here 3. So order of this differential equation will be 3, and the maximum power of the highest derivative is 2. So order of this differential equation will be 2, and this differential equation is a polynomial in its derivative. So this polynomial is defined for degree. So the order will be 3 and degree will be 2. Of that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 6. I leave this question as the homework to all of you. Let's see the question number 7. The highest derivative is 3 here, and this differential equation is a polynomial in its derivative. Therefore, this is defined for degree. So the order of this polynomial, order of this differential equation will be 3, and the maximum power of this one is 1. So the degree of this differential equation will be 1. Of that there is no problem to understand the solution of question number 7. So I leave question number 6 and 7 as the homework to all of you. In the next class, I will solve rest question of this exercise. This exercise has 12 questions. Out of these 12 questions, in this class I have solved question up to question number 7. In the next class, I will solve question number 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Till then, thanks to all of you. Thank you very much. Hope that this class will be useful to the schooling students of class 12 having a subject mathematics, as well as the JEE main or advanced aspirants to clear the basic concepts related to the degree and order of a differential equation. Once again, I am going to repeat. Order, it means that highest derivative of a differential equation. Degree, it means that first of all we check the given differential equation is a polynomial or not a polynomial. If the given differential equation is a polynomial, then it is defined for degree, otherwise not. If it is defined for degree, then we see the maximum power of the highest derivative of the given differential equation, which clear the degree of the given differential equation. So once again, I thanks to all of you. Thank you very much, and hope that this class will be useful to all of you.